Alright guys, welcome back. It's super late. It's about 8 o'clock, but I haven't taken my breaks yet, so I'm gonna do that real quick and make this video and then head out and then go to church. So anyways, today I was working on, like I said, pulling this wire that was hanging there since Friday, and I got that in the box. I had to remake this occupancy sensor up because I wired it wrong. I remembered I did that wrong, so I fixed that. And then wired these up, wired the lights up. That one has the ants all over it, but I got taken care of. A couple of them got on me, but I don't know, they're just like hiding in the light or something. I banged them off the light, and then like another herd of them came out. It was ridiculous. Anyways, so I got that wire going through the ceiling. Can't really see it. Turned out pretty good, nice and tight. And that goes over to this box right here, and then ran the wire going over here to this light, made that box up, made this box up, got the other wire coming back out for this last light over there. So that just goes across the ceiling. I lost it, there it is. So it just goes here, and then I lost it again. It's going here nice and tight, every couple feet, strapped it. And then going across here over to the light. So that was the 4th floor, which is what I was working on up here. And then down to the 3rd floor. We'll probably just try to make this one video. I do have to pick some more stuff up though. So anyways, so those were the lights up here on the 4th floor, and then down here on the 3rd floor. Down here on the 3rd floor, I thought someone was here for a second. It was just a train. So down here on the 3rd floor, I was working on the exit signs. They need some for the temporary occupancy or whatever. So I got this exit sign right here, and I had to run that all the way over to the power on the other side. So I just ran that across. My battery's running low. I just charged it the 2nd time today. Well, charged it once during work because it died. So I got that running over here, and then that goes all the way next to this beam, all the way over here. Hopefully my battery doesn't die while I'm recording. That would be really upsetting. But anyways, it was 100% this morning, and then it was about to die at like 10-15%. I charged it back up to 100%, and now it's about to die again. So just listening to music all day on speakerphone, I guess that'll do it. So anyways, that wire goes under the beam because I can't go over the top of it. And then this turned out pretty nice, I'd say, just following the beam right here. And then that goes into the emergency box, which I forgot to paint orange, so I kind of taped off those, and I'll just spray it in place. And then had to, like I said, this emergency circuit, or this light, had to basically cut it and then rewire the light and put that wire into the junction box, put the wire back out into the light, the wire coming in from the exit sign over there, and then this exit sign going up and over the top. I'm losing it, my arm hurts. This wire right here follows nice and tight, and that goes down to this exit sign. I need to grab my hard hat and probably move this roll of wire and these supplies real quick. So we'll see if I can do that while recording this, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. I think I can do it, so give me a second here, folks. Had a long day. Oh yeah, did I mention this is 14 hours? I want to keep working, honestly, just because no one's here and it's super nice and I have stuff to do, and it's just been a really good day because I've had stuff to do. I don't have to worry about what's next. I had all these things lined out from Friday, and honestly, it's just been amazing, and I don't want to stop working. Anyways, my sweatshirt just fell, or those are my sweatpants. I wasn't sure if the heat was going to be on because it's the weekend or whatever, but anyways, down here, did the exit signs again. I can take that off. Exit signs again, going up through the ceiling. That was kind of wonky because of the insulation right there, but these should probably be painted orange as well. Well, my phone crashed, so much for one take. Anyways, these should probably be painted orange, and then got that going down to the exit sign. And then this is going for the power, which is gonna go to the occupancy sensor right here. And then that's hasn't been tightened yet, but that's the power's coming from this orange box right here. So they should probably be all painted orange because they're on the emergency circuit. So power coming out, and then the 3-wire over to the light box right here, and then from the light box I'm tapping out and going to the exit sign. So the red wire is going to be the switch leg, and then the black is just going to be the constant power. And so from there, where am I? I came out of the top right here, going through the wall, and then following this over to the box. This is going to be a light, and then from out of there back through the ceiling, try not to trip, lost it. Wires right, I just saw it. I really can't see it, but anyways, the wires, there it is, wires right there, and that is going across the ceiling under the beam because I can't go over the top of it. Back up to the next light right here. Then from there, I'm going back out over to the next light, which is right here. And I got to hang this one right here. I don't have the cover plate. Anyways, got that one up. The other one didn't have a plastic cover when I opened the box, which is weird. And then from there down to the last exit sign right here. So that's everything I worked on. I do still have plenty of stuff to do. I still have the other 3 to 5 lights to install, but I only see a couple of them, and some of them are missing parts. But I could wire in the whips and all that stuff, but it's better just to do that once the lights are up so I don't cut any of the wires short. But anyways, it was a really great day. I really would keep working, but I kind of want to go to church and see my friend and catch the end of the service and sing some songs. But anyways, super great day. Best day probably at work ever. So anyways, that's all I got done in 14 hours or whatever. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the late upload, but you'll probably see it tomorrow anyways. But thanks for watching, guys. God bless. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to go put my tools away and all that stuff. And yep, thanks for watching. I probably already said that. God bless. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out the description for the social medias and all that good stuff. And I am giving away a second item for the giveaway because the guy, I didn't check it. The guy wasn't subscribed to me, so he honestly shouldn't have gotten it, but I already shipped off this stuff and spent 60 bucks. So Libet, I'm a little upset that mainly my fault that I didn't check it, that he wasn't subscribed to me. But anyways, I appreciate the support. He did subscribe, which is how I know that he wasn't subscribed, because I got emails saying like an hour or a few hours ago that he subscribed. So anyways, shouldn't have won it, but it is what it is. So I'm sending out a gift card to the next guy that would have won in the mail. So I'm a true gentleman and didn't want to screw anyone over, but all the other people that saying that they replied to the videos and stuff, saying that I didn't contact them, I contacted them when it was their turn, once the people in front of them didn't reply. And anyways, they didn't get back to me, so that's why I went through like 12 people or whatever. But anyways, the guy that should have won it didn't, so I didn't want to screw him over. So I'm going to get him a Home Depot gift card for like 30 bucks, and I'll do that tomorrow because I need to go to church right now. So anyways, I'm going to go put my stuff away. Guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Doing 12s all week and 14 today and 8 on Friday. So that's about 70 hours, or not 70, 60 hours, I think. Anyways, can't do the math. 60 or 70 hours, not off the top of my head right now. So I'm gonna head out, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Alright, guys, I'm heading home from church. It's getting close to 10 o'clock, so I might be screwed tomorrow morning, but we'll see. Anyways, had the best time at church like ever. Literally like one of the best days of my life today. Anyways, I basically got to church mid-sermon. I don't know, maybe it just started, but anyways, really good sermon. And the music, basically at the end of the sermon, he asked for people to come up, and I was like immediate. I never really go up, like when they do like offering calls, or not offering calls, or whatever it is called, like when they do like I don't know, whatever you call it. I really can't think right now because my brain is just so blank, which is kind of cool because I'm always thinking of stuff. So it's kind of nice to not be thinking of stuff right now. But anyways, basically they had like a call like, oh, come up if you need prayer for some XYZ, and basically I was like, I never go up, but I was like, okay, I'm definitely need prayer for this. So I like straight up like second person up there, and then like this dude prayed for me, and like I was just like ugly face crying. It was amazing. And then I went back to my seat and then started singing music, and then ugly face cried again. There's my friend right there. And then 1 second, let me finish. All right, I just saw my friend in his GTST, if that's what you call it, R32. He probably didn't recognize me because I'm in the work car, but anyways, I'll message him later, tell him that was me. Anyways, I forgot where I was at in the story, but so basically they were singing and I ugly face cried again, just the music was really speaking to me. And then afterwards, this girl came up to me and was like, yo, I got this word from God for you. And like, I was like, oh my gosh, like what is this? And then like she just started telling me this stuff, and then like she prayed for me, and I just like lost it again. I've never cried, ugly face cried so many times in one day in my life. It was really great, and just like the words, everything tonight, just all the words, it was just really amazing. And I'm really thankful that I went tonight after work. Like I actually wanted to work like 16 hours, but I didn't, and I'm really glad that I went, because that was like the best church service I've ever been to in my life. So anyways, it was great. I saw my friend. The reason that I actually wanted to go was because I met my friend 1 year ago today through our Corvettes. We didn't actually meet till like probably like several while after, but I met him on Instagram through his Instagram handle in his car. So I wanted to go see him and take a picture or whatever. So look forward to that on my Instagram page. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that. No one probably cares, but it was just a really great day, like the best ever. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and if you're not religious, then I'm sorry, but anyways, yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I still have to go home and edit this video and upload it. It's 10 o'clock, so you'll probably be watching this tomorrow. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. I will see you later. So I sent my friend a message. I was like, yo, that was me honking at you. And he's like, yeah, I literally could guess that from like you wearing a beanie or whatever. It was super hilarious. Anyways, just another cherry on top of my day, guys. Yep, that about does it. Hope you guys experience the goodness of God. Amen. Let's go, brother.